Hello everyone, this is Urvashi Chauhan and you are watching Courts Today by LiveLaw. We bring to you the latest and in-depth legal coverage. Here is a brief of what all happened in the Indian courts today. First of all, an update on the day 4 of Supreme Court's hearing on the legal recognition to same-sex marriage. Senior advocate Menaka Guruswamy for petitioners today argued that the government could not say that this was a matter of the parliament and not for the court to decide. She claimed that when fundamental rights of a community are violated, they have the right to approach the Constitutional Court. In response to this, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, reminded the petitioners that Parliament is empowered to legislate on the subject of marriage and divorce and therefore inquired as to the scope of interference by the Supreme Court in such matters. Senior advocate Jaina Kothari was appearing for a transgender person, seeking marriage equality for all and not just same-sex couples. She urged that the Special Marriage Act, by focusing only on men and women, denies transgender persons the right to marry and have a family solely on the basis of their gender identity. Advocate Saurabh Kirpal argued that the prevention of queer marriages by not granting them legal recognition may lead to lavender marriages between a man and woman, where either or both the spouse are homosexual. The Supreme Court was also informed that 12 out of the G20 countries and about 34 countries of the world had permitted same-sex marriages. However, India was lagging behind. Advocate Kirpal further argued that the LGBTQ community cannot be left at the mercy of the parliament, which failed them for 75 long years. The bench also heard senior advocate Geeta Luthra representing a homosexual couple that has married in the USA. They seek recognition of their marriage in India under the Foreign Marriage Act. She cited various foreign court judgments to show court-led recognitions of same-sex marriages. The Constitution Bench, comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, S. Ravindra Bhatt, Hema Kohli and P.S. Narasimha will continue the hearing tomorrow. The arguments by the petitioners will conclude tomorrow and the court will start hearing the respondents. You can watch the live proceedings on our YouTube channel. In a significant update, the Supreme Court today issued notice on the petition moved by top women wrestlers of the country seeking registration of FIR against BJP MP and Wrestling Federation of India President Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh over alleged sexual harassment. You must be aware about the ongoing protest by wrestlers at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. The complaint has been filed by 7 women and 1 is a minor who allege that there has been inordinate delay in registering FIR, especially when POCSO charges are pressed against the wrestling body's president. The wrestlers have cited multiple instances of sexual harassment dating back to 2012 and as recent as 2022. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal mentioned the matter before the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud today, who issued notice returnable on Friday. The matter is now posted for May 28th. Stay tuned. And now coming to an update regarding the BJP-led Karnataka government's decision to scrap off the 4% reservation provided to Muslims in the other backward classes category. The Supreme Court bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagratna today adjourned the hearing of the plea challenging the impugned government order to exclude Muslims from the OBC category and scrapping the 4% reservation given to them under Category 2B. The bench will now hear the matter on May 9th. This is the second adjournment in the matter, and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the state of Karnataka, today also assured the Supreme Court that no further action would be taken in connection with scrapping the OBC reservation. Advocate Dushyant Dave, appearing for the petitioners, pointed out that because the quota had been scrapped altogether, the assurance given by the government that they would not make any new admissions or appointments on the basis of the recent government order was of no help to them. But the Solicitor General clarified, and his statement was taken on record, that the impugned orders shall not be implemented till the next date, and that the earlier regime related to Muslim Reservation as per a 2002 notification would continue to hold the field in the meantime. Another important update coming from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court today stayed the operative part of the Madras High Court's order, which had set aside a notification issued by Tamil Nadu State Commissioner for Food Safety imposing a ban on sale of gutka, pan masala, flavored or scented food products or chewable food products that contain tobacco or nicotine. The state government in 2013 imposed a ban on tobacco and gutka products using a temporary provision under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. The ban was subsequently extended every year through various notifications. The court today said that the Commissioner Food Safety had exceeded its powers in issuing such successive notifications. While granting the stay, a bench comprising Justice K. M. Joseph and Justice B. V. Nagaratna clarified that in the event the manufacturers have a case that their activities are not covered by the notification, they may approach the appropriate forum seeking redressal. For detailed information on the case, please check the link in the description box. And now coming to an update from Gujarat. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has moved the Gujarat High Court seeking a stay on his conviction in the defamation case over his remark, "Why all thieves share the Modi surname," made, as you know, during a political campaign in 2019. Last week, the Surat Sessions Court had dismissed his application seeking a stay on his conviction. This appeal has been filed against the same. The matter will come up for hearing before a single judge in due course of time. We will keep you updated with all the developments. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. You can also read the full reports on cases by clicking on the links given in the description box. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on LiveLaw. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe and support us.